Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the difference between HTTP and HTTPS using Wireshark, which is a network analyzer. Wireshark is available for free at Wireshark website and you can download for Windows and Linux. So let's get started. The tool is really easy to use actually. All you have to do is go up here and click Capture Options and then select the interface which you want to use. In my case I have internet connection from my wireless interface. Now press start to capture all the traffic on that interface. First I will demonstrate why HTTP is unsecured when browsing the internet by going to a site which uses HTTP. And now I will try to log in using new user for the username and let me in for the password. Okay, so let's visit another site with HTTPS to see the difference. And if you look at the address box, you can see a lock. This means that the secure socket layer has been established on this page. So again, I will log in using my username and password. And let's switch back to Wireshark and change the filter to HTTP. And here you can see the get and response packets, which contains information like my MAC address, router address, IP source, destination address, and so on. Now let's find the post packet, which contains the username and password for the HTTP site. So go ahead and change the filter to HTTP request method equal and in caps post. And click on HTML form. As you can see, here is the login name and the password. If you don't see this HTML form, use right click and select follow TCP stream. And you will see the username and password as well. Okay, so now I'm going to see the traffic from HTTPS site. For that I need to change the filter to SSL. And here you can see the packets are encrypted using Transport Layer Security Protocol or TLS. Basically you are communicating over an encrypted channel with the website, which we all want. This type of connection is necessary if you do web transaction using your credit card or any other sensitive information. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.